welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new and have not yet met me, my name is Jamie. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to get some cleaning done today. It's been very gloomy and depressing lately, and I haven't been getting a lot done. My 5-year-old decided to just make a big mess of his toys and spit it out everywhere, so I gotta clean that up as well, and I'm also going to tackle their bedrooms. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified every time I post a new video. So enough talking, let's go ahead and start cleaning. So I'm going to start in my son's bedroom. I'm just going to clean up a few things here and there. Luckily, my kids do not make a huge mess in their bedrooms, which makes cleanup a lot easier when it's only in one area of the home. So I'm going to just clean up all these blankets and then make the bed for him.
Escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
I absolutely love when the beds are made because it just instantly makes the room look so much cleaner and put together. I absolutely love the smell of this Febreze. It's just a quick way to freshen up any room.
If you wanna go sometime, yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
I swear, being 5 foot is such a challenge for me. It is the hardest thing trying to reach things. now I'm going to move on to my other son's room. There's really not a lot to do in here, just tidy up a few things. But the one thing that I'm always struggling with is my son's clothes. He takes them off and throws them in the floor and does not put them in the hamper. And I tell him a million times a day. I don't know what it is about him not listening, but I'm sure I'm not the only one. Please leave in the comments down below if you guys struggle with telling your kids to do something all the time and they never do it.
Just to make me feel can I wanted something real. Just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
So now I'm going to work my way into the kitchen. I'm going to start with my dishes because right now I have a lot in my sink, and that is a huge pet peeve of mine. I hate dishes in my sink. It just looks so dirty to me. That's one of them things that I tackle first thing, and today it was definitely neglected.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel can I wanted something real. Just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. sometime. If you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now, baby.
So now that I'm done with the kitchen, I'm going to work my way into the family room here. This is the room that gets the most mess. Everyone is in here all the time. There's always toys and wrappers. Anything you can think of, there's always a mess in here.
Even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Do it just to make me feel again, I wanted something real. To just escape for a moment. Trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Oh my God, can't stay this high. This high, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high. With you, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high. This high, yeah. Oh my God, can't stay this high. With you, yeah.
Okay guys, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me, and I hope it gave you some motivation to get some stuff done. I know that it can be a challenge sometimes to get up and moving, but sometimes this is all we need, is just to watch one of these videos to get us going. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. And also don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified when I post a new video. Now that I am done, I am going to light a candle and just relax. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.